Meghalaya government on Thursday handed over the letter of allotment for 10 acres of land in the new Shillong township for the CRPF to set up a permanent base. The Chief Minister, in a video statement released to the media after the meeting held in the Secretariat with the CRPF, said that the CRPF have for many years requested the government of Meghalaya to allot a permanent location and permanent camp for them. He added that since a permanent location was still to be allotted, the different battalions and companies of the CRPF have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis.
The CRPF for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the CRPF different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the new Shillong township area